one of the things that's happening is we're introducing this thing for a holographic computing. Case Reserve University was recently featured and showing how they're using it in their schools of medicine. Instead of bringing in cadavers to teach medical students, they're actually using holographic computing so that students have this HoloLens device on their head that they can see a living system inside of a holographic representation of human, which is super transformative for the way we've been doing things in the past, and a whole new way of thinking about content in the classroom when you can bring in holograms. Another dimension of our ambition is this notion of the intelligent cloud, building an intelligent cloud so that we can do two things really. One, when we talk about personalized learning, there's a lot of information, a lot of data and events that need to be captured from students in order to make that learning truly personal. Whether it's on a device or whether it's on a website, we should constantly have telemetry about not only how a student is learning, but why they were successful or why they failed, so that we can build inference on what recommendations should be made for both the teacher and the student so that that student can be more successful and whatever the next learning opportunity is. And then finally, as we think about how do you reinvent productivity and business process across the board in education, you think about this transformation, whether it be one-to-one or bring your own device, people should really stop thinking about devices and thinking about the transformation that is happening with the productivity of our teachers. If there's anything they don't have more of, it's time. They don't have more time for professional development. They don't have more time for change in practice. So how can we help teachers be more productive with tools that they've already learned? And how can we introduce new capabilities into the classroom to make them successful? Every school system that we see across the country are at different stages in maturity and the evolution in digital transformation. Some are still just now getting to the place where they want to get devices for every student. Educational equity remains a major focus. How do you do that where students are not only getting equitable service delivery, but also from that delivery, getting equitable access to opportunities after they have those services delivered, especially when they graduate. But we see transformation happening the most in professional development. We're spending a large amount of our resource and our people time focused on PD so that the professional learning opportunities for our teacher expands. And we're doing that across the world of things. We're doing that with Skype, we're doing that with OneNote, that really is great for capturing memories and eliminating paper. But it's also, we're doing it with Minecraft and introducing gaming into this context for learning that allows play to be a canvas for exploration into biology with biomes, to manufacturing and engineering with 3D printing, all the way to introducing computer science to students. I'm seeing finally, all of the pieces are on the table. They're not well orchestrated today. They're not all connected. But I think over the next 2 to 3 years, how we use machine learning to connect those dots, how we use new pedagogical practice to connect those dots, and the world of devices themselves changing and morphing from anything we've seen in the past to the Internet of Things and building intelligence. This is an exciting time, and it's going to take more vision than we've ever had before, more collaboration than we've ever had before, and I think that opportunity is exciting.